Meaning of finite.
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 Finite. The term finite refers to something that has limits or bounds, usually in terms of quantity or duration. A finite entity is one that can be counted, measured, or described in concrete terms and is not infinite or eternal. This concept is important in mathematics, where finite sets, numbers, and groups are studied extensively. In philosophy, the idea of finitude is often linked to human mortality and the impermanence of all things. Overall, finite means having an end or limit, and acknowledges the reality of boundaries and constraints in our world.